The REST API for dashboards is some cool new stuff that lets you deal with dashboards and with widgets within the APIs of Visual Studio. So let's take a look at how what we can do with these APIs. Well, let's take the first look at these dashboard and the other dashboards we have in our account in this theme project. Okay, so we have this master view right here and another 3 dashboards. Okay, so once you get to the documentation of the API for dashboards, you'll see that we now have a new section right here. You go to some detailed documentation, so you can do some cool stuff using this API. So you can get a list of dashboards, you can update, add a dashboard to a group, you can get a dashboard and what do I mean? You can get a dashboard detail from your API. You can update the dashboard. So you can do lots of things with dashboards and also with widgets, as you can see it right here. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a first look with this example here of this first action, this first possible action here, that is get a list of dashboard entries. So you have the skeleton of the request right here. So you have a get request and an example of the URL you're gonna use. Okay, as you can see, one of the parameters is ID. Currently, it refers to the team ID. And how can I get the team ID? So we have also an API to get a list of teams. So let's use this method to first get one of our teams, and then we're going to have the list of the dashboards. Okay, so first, as well as we need to save some time, I left it ready. So I set our account right here. We set the project, okay, in the API version. So let's use it in Postman and let's send it using get, right? Well, we got the list of teams. We have the VSTS Sprints channel team and the build breaker. We're actually using the VSTS Sprints channel team. So the ID of this team is this one, okay? So let's use it on the URL for the second request, which is to take the list of dashboards for this team, okay? So let's take a look at the URL we mounted. So our account, our team project, the team ID we just have in the API version. So let's copy this URL right here using Postman. And here we have the list of dashboards we just saw in our web view. So we have master view, project 1, project 2, and project 3. Let's double check it. We have master view, project 1, project 2, and project 3. Okay, so these are the new APIs to deal with dashboards. So once again, you can do some cool stuff with dashboards as well as we can do some cool stuff with widgets.